It's a rainy day here in Syracuse with snow showers throughout the day ranging from heavy rain to light rain. The high right now is 36 degrees, 93% humidity, so it makes it a bit colder out there. If you're heading out, make sure you have a nice warm coat and an umbrella with you. Back looking at the almanac, it was 81 degrees in 1945, much nicer than it is now, but was much colder in 1960 at a very low of 5 degrees. Not something that I would want anytime in March. We have a storm front coming through the northeast, but it is just missing Syracuse, landing right outside of it, so we should be good, but you never know when it comes to Syracuse weather. And looking at temperatures throughout the state of New York, it's beginning to warm up a bit, especially in comparison to the bitter February and cold beginning of March. We're hitting 40s in some towns like Oswego and Auburn, still in the 30s in Syracuse, but getting a little bit more up there. And we are not out of the clear yet when it comes to snowfall, and they are still counting it, especially in the race for the Golden Snow Globe. As you can see, Syracuse is in the lead with 119 inches. And for tonight, our showers are going to turn into some snow flurries with the temperature dropping to 30. Tomorrow, it's going to continue to snow. The high will be 35 degrees, but it'll still be chilly and snowy throughout the day, with a little bit of sunshine going in there later on. And looking at our 5-day forecast, you can see that it's going to continue to drop into the weekend, and then by early next week, starting on Sunday, it will go ahead and start warming up again, hitting the 40s, which will be very nice for us, especially in Syracuse weather. Monday will be 44, the sun will start to come back out, and it will be a nice change of pace compared to the kind of snowier, rainy weather that we've been having. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad that it's warming up. I had a terrible February, not so great beginning of March, so I'm glad to see that spring is finally in the air. It's been spring for over a week now, but it does not feel like it at all.
So for the weekend, you say that there's going to be a few flurries. When do you expect that to end? By next week?
Actually, the flurries will end midday tomorrow. They will be flurries in the morning and cloudy throughout the day. The sun will make an appearance at the end of the day, thankfully.
All right, thanks, Amanda.
No problem.